Can you make a living from trading? Yes, but you'll never be able to do it with an account of $1,000 or less. To live off trading, you need to manage large accounts of at least $100,000. But wait, it doesn't have to be your own money. There are companies that look for profitable traders to assign capital to them, allowing traders to grow the account and share the profits. In this video, I'll explain how you can become one of those traders managing over $100,000 and everything you need to achieve it. To understand this topic, we first need to explore the difference between trading and prop trading from our perspective, the trader's point of view. Imagine this is you. You have $1,000 and want to trade with it. So, you sign up on a broker's website, deposit your $1,000, and the broker grants you access to a trading platform where you can view price charts for various assets. Your goal to make money is simple: buy low and sell high. After analyzing the market, you decide to buy at the current price by clicking the Buy button. This order is sent to the broker, who executes it in the market. Later, you click the Sell button and the broker closes your position. If you bought low and sold high, you made a profit. For example, if you earned a 10% return, your $1,000 would grow to $1,100. If you bought high and sold low, you incurred a loss. For instance, if you lost 50%, your $1,000 would drop to $500. Even in the worst-case scenario, if you lost 100%, your account would go to $0. Your maximum risk is limited to the size of your account. This is how traditional trading works. However, nowadays, everyone is talking about funded trading, funded accounts, prop trading. What's the difference between funded trading and prop trading? In funded trading, traders don't use their own money. Instead, a company provides them with capital, and any profits generated are shared. However, this is illegal, at least in Europe. No individual is allowed to manage third-party funds. Even if you're a great trader, it's entirely illegal to manage accounts for others, whether it's your father, your friend, or your cousin's neighbor. It's simply not allowed. The only organizations authorized to manage third-party capital are investment firms and brokerage companies. These entities are subject to strict regulatory requirements and must hold millions of euros in capital, along with fulfilling numerous bureaucratic obligations. Why is everyone talking about funded trading if it's illegal? The reason is simple. When we talk about funded trading, we're actually referring to prop trading. Even I often use the term funding, but in 100% of the cases, I mean prop trading. For those of us who have YouTube channels or other social media platforms, the term funding is more commonly used because people search for funding on YouTube, not prop trading. However, the content they find after searching for funding is entirely focused on prop trading. Prop trading is short for proprietary trading. Prop trading firms, or prop firms, seek profitable traders, at least the reputable ones do. To identify profitable traders, these firms offer evaluations where participants must trade under strict rules regarding both profitability and risk. If a trader passes the evaluation, they are granted a profit-sharing account. Any profits the trader generates in this new account are split between the prop firm and the trader. How does this business model work legally, and why is it different from funding? Let's break it down step by step for better understanding. Step 1. You register on the prop firm's website. This is a standard registration process where you provide your name, email, phone number, etc. Step 2. You choose an evaluation. This is the most crucial decision because your future depends on it. For me, the most important factor is the account size. During the evaluation, you'll be given a demo account, which typically ranges from $10,000 to $100,000. This is important because if you pass the evaluation, your profit-sharing account will be the same size. In other words, if you prove you can be profitable with $100,000, your profit-sharing account will also be $100,000. Another crucial point, just as important as the previous one, is the profit target you need to reach to pass your evaluation and secure your profit-sharing account. Typically, the required profitability ranges between 10% and 15%, with no time limit. This is a completely achievable goal, as long as you use various strategies and a trading system that is both profitable and robust in the long term. For those of you who know me, this is nothing new, but I want to remind those who are just getting to know me. On the left, you can see the audited data from one of my evaluations, which, after passing, allows me to manage a 100,000 euro account. To pass it, I use the Pentode trading system, which you can find on the right. This decision-making pentagon is something I teach in my courses, and you can find more information at jamiedways.com. An important note, I completed the entire evaluation live with my students, and it was recorded for anyone who wants to join the prop trading world and train with me. Every strategy one used to pass the evaluation was documented, as well as my final thoughts upon reaching the goal. All of this is available at jamiedways.com. Now, getting back to the key points for choosing an evaluation, I mentioned that the profit target is crucial. Risk management is equally important. You must be clear that your maximum loss should never exceed 7%. Based on all the criteria mentioned, there are different evaluation prices, which are affordable for anyone. If you recall, at the beginning of the class when we discussed traditional trading, we talked about opening an account with $1,000. To compare it with prop trading, let's choose the same investment of approximately $1,000. Note, currently, due to increased competition, prices are about half, around $500. But let's assume they go back up to $1,000 for a fair comparison. After registering and completing the evaluation, you trade, meet the profit targets with proper risk management, and you're notified that you've passed the trial period. You receive a certificate and are offered a contract as a signal provider. That contract will be linked to your new profit-sharing account. Remember, if we choose the $100,000 evaluation, our profit-sharing account, the official one, will also be $100,000, and of course, our earnings will be based on that amount. How much can you earn? This depends on the prop trading firm. Typically, there's a scalable plan where profits are split between 60% and 80% in favor of the trader. Let's assume, on the lower end, that you achieve an 8% profit on the $100,000 profit-sharing account without exceeding a 4% daily loss or a 7% maximum drawdown. In this case, it's common for the firm to reimburse your evaluation fee, your $1,000, plus a profit share. For this example, let's assume a payout of $4,800. Now, compare this to traditional trading. With $1,000, you could open a real account for that amount, and if you achieved a 10% profit, your account would grow from $1,000 to $1,100, meaning you'd earn $100. But it doesn't stop there. In traditional trading, you keep growing your account. If you make another 10% on your $1,100, it would increase to $1,210 for a total profit of $210. With prop trading, we saw that with a $1,000 investment, you could qualify for a $100,000 profit-sharing account. If you manage this account and achieve a 10% return, you recover your investment, $1,000 plus $4,800 in profit, totaling $5,800. Moreover, since prop trading operates on a scalable plan, once you surpass the first level, you're granted a new profit-sharing account of $150,000. If you earn 8% on this account, that's another $7,200 in profit. Why do some people say that with funded trading, prop trading, you're trading without the risk of losing your money? Because with traditional trading, even if you grow your account from $1,000 to $2,000, one major mistake could wipe it out entirely. In contrast, with prop trading, this isn't possible. Once you pass the evaluation and receive your first payout, which includes a refund of your investment, your risk of losing capital drops to zero, and you've already generated profits. I'm sure you have plenty of questions. So did I. That's why I recently recorded a podcast with the executives of the prop firm where I was initially a client and now act as a signal provider with my profit-sharing account. In the podcast, we addressed my own doubts as well as those from my students. In the next chapter, I'll provide a brief summary of that podcast. But if you want to watch the full episode, here's a QR code for easy access. If you found this class useful and feel like you're learning from this free trading course, imagine the level of knowledge you could achieve as a student in our premium trading course. If you've ever felt stuck in trading due to the fear of losing, lack a clear system and strategy resulting in inconsistent outcomes, or even if you have experience but struggle with emotional control, preventing you from being profitable, the solution is right in front of you. The only thing missing is investing in knowledge. Stop making excuses about not having time to learn or trade, because we all have 24 hours in a day, and if you manage your time well, you can carve out 20 minutes a day to learn. You'll find more info in the top right corner by scanning the QR code on the screen and through the link in the description. Click and let's connect inside the premium platform.